Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Had they pondered over the greatness of his power and the vastness of his bounty, they would have returned to the right path and feared the punishment of the fire. But hearts are sick and eyes are diseased. Do they not see the small things he has created? How he strengthened their system and opened for them hearing and sight and made for them bones and skins. Look at the ant with its small body and delicate form. It can hardly be seen in the corner of the eye, nor by the perception of the imagination, how it moves on the earth and leaps at its livelihood. It carries the grain to its hole and deposits it in its place of stay. It collects during the summer for its winter, and during strength for the period of its weakness. Its livelihood is guaranteed, and it is fed according to fitness. Allah, the kind, does not forget it, and Allah, the giver, does not deprive it. Even though it may be in dry stone or fixed rocks. If you have thought about its digestive tracts in its high and low parts, the carapace of its belly and its eyes and its ears and its head, you would be amazed at its creation, and you would feel difficulty in describing it. Exalted is he who made it stand on its legs and erected it on its pillars of limbs. No other originator took part with him in its origination, and no one having power assisted him in its creation. If you tread on the paths of your imagination and reach its extremity, it will not lead you anywhere except that the originator of the ant is the same as he who is the originator of the date palm, because everything has the same delicacy and detail, and every living being has little difference. In his creation, the big, the delicate, the heavy, the light, the strong, the weak are all equal.